In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Lasso selection tool to select and manipulate part of a drawing. We'll begin by locating the selection tool in your toolbar. It usually looks like a dotted square. This is the tool that tells your app you want to isolate part of your artwork so you can work on it separately. Go ahead and select it. By default, many programs start with a rectangular selection, which is great for boxy shapes, but not so helpful for organic curves or irregular edges. That's where Lasso mode comes in. Look to the tool options bar near the top or side of your workspace and switch the selection type from the default rectangle to Lasso. Lasso mode lets you draw a free-form outline, which gives you a lot more control around complex shapes, hairline details, or hand-drawn edges. Make sure Lasso is active before you start drawing. Now, click and drag around the area you want to select. Keep the mouse button held down as you trace the outline. Think of it like drawing a loop with a pen. Steady and deliberate strokes help. If the edge you're tracing is intricate, take your time and follow it closely. You don't have to be perfect. You can always try again. As you near the starting point, guide your outline back to where you began. When you release, most apps will snap the end of your line to the start and close the shape for you. Once the loop is closed, the selection becomes active. You'll see a moving dashed line around the boundary, sometimes called marching ants. That visual border means everything inside is isolated and ready for editing, while everything outside is protected. With the area selected, you can move, scale, rotate, or copy it. To move it, drag inside the boundary and position it exactly where you want. To scale, use the on-screen handles that appear around the selection and pull inward or outward to resize. To rotate, look for a rotation handle or a curved arrow near the boundary and twist gently until it's aligned just right. If you want a duplicate, copy the selection and paste it to create another instance you can position elsewhere. When you're finished, it's important to clear the selection so you don't accidentally edit it. Press the ES key or simply click outside the selection area. The marching ants will disappear and you're back to editing your full canvas. That's the complete process.